How to back up your GoChats before it's too late. So hey guys, on today's video I'll be teaching you how to back up your chats here at GoChat before it's too late. So now to prepare a backup for our GoChat right here, all we need to do is open up our GoChat right here. Once we open up our GoChat right here, all we need to do is click on profile right here. After pressing on the bottom right corner right there on the profile, here you will see here is chats. Press on chats right there. After clicking on chat right here, you see chat backup. So this is perfect for those who are scared of losing their chats here at GoChat and they want to back everything up for, let's say, evidence, or you just don't want to lose some happy memories, good chats, and all of that stuff right there. Now all we need to do is click on chat backup. After pressing chat backup right here, you can now add a Google account. So once you added the Google account right there, all you need to do is click this on and then put this on daily and then apply. Then every daily it will have auto back up your chats, including here we have videos and backup using cellular as well. If you want to open that, so you back up using cellular as well. Then all you need to do is click on backup on the bottom right here. As you see, kung siya backup lagi with a Google account. There you go, we had it at a Google account. But there, just add in a Google account, then click on backup and put this on daily. So there you guys, that's how you back up your chat here on GoChat. I hope you guys like the video because you enjoyed. If you have no questions or concerns, you can always type it down in the comment section below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible on here on how to rock it, guys. There you go, guys, and thank you guys.